Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2017 Mazda BT-50 XT cab chassis ute, stock reference number 5442. This shape runs from the 10th month 2011 through to the 6th month 2020. It has a P4 AT, 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. P4 AT, 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We're at the left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Duratray alloy tray with all bolts and brackets, and rear ladder rack does have damage to the right hand tail light guard. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy steel rim with a good tyre. Right power door mirror and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, 2-door type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, seats require cleaning. 6-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, display cluster, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster.